Hello dear viewers, welcome to your own channel Kidoctive Homeschooling. So in today's video we are going to discuss how we are going to divide 3-digit number by 1 digit. If you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe, and I will give you the link how you can divide 2 digit by single digit. So today's video is on 3 digit by single digit. So let's start the video. So the first number is 948 divided by 6. First we are going to set it up. Okay. 948 is the dividend, then 6 is the divisor, and the answer will be the quotient. Okay. So first we are going to check the first number. Okay. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. So here it is 9 and 12 is greater than 9. Okay. So we are going to write here 1, 6 1 ja 6. Then the next step is subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then bring down 4. Okay. Now we will check 6 5 ja 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, and 36 is greater than 34. So we can't take 6 6 ja. So we will take 6 5 ja 30. Now the second step is subtract. So 4 minus 0 is 4. Now what's left? Down 8 here. Okay. Now let's check in 6 times table 48 is there or not. Okay, 48 is there. So 6 8s are 48. So now subtraction. So 48 minus 48 equals 0. So we get the remainder 0. So it's over. So the answer is 158. Is it correct or not? How we will know? Is it correct or not? Okay. So 158 multiply by 6 plus the remainder. So we will get the dividend 948. Yes or no? Yes. So our answer is correct. So in this way you are going to do the rest of the worksheet. Okay. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.